So much time to
We got bedrocked.
Wow, okay. Stay here. Stay. You watch out. They're gonna engage on G, okay? Get ready, defenses get ready, okay? Come back. Stay back. Stay back. Just keep watching. I'm gonna look shallow west, okay? Just hold. Get ready. Shallow
Healer
west.
over the wall
very
आ जाओ,
soon.
आशीष यार खेलो, healer ऊपर आ
Hold. Okay, Kingo, can you pull? Engage on top me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Come back. Defensive. And actually, Qs and Ws on me. Qs and Ws on the gate. Qs and Ws. Heal your players. Qs and Ws. Stay over here. Tell me your engage cooldown fast.
It should be ready.
Okay. Get shallow on top me. I'm gonna pull him. Okay. Just hold near the gate. Hold near the gate. Kingo, can you pull? Just hold. Get ready. I'm gonna look southwest. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me, and watch out. They're gonna engage now. Watch out. They're gonna engage anytime now. Just watch out. They channel. They engage now. Defensive, and walk out. Everybody walk out. Tanks try to hold them. Keep coming out.
They have D-tanks inside us already.
It's fine. Keep coming out. We're gonna engage on those D-tanks. Qs and Ws. Get ready. You see the one D-tank northeast. Engaging northeast. Very soon. On the healer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Just engage on this one guy and go back. It's fine. Go back. Try to stop them. Okay, they're gonna chase you. They're gonna shallow on Kingo. Heal Kingo.
They did.
Okay, they already engaged. Just hold. Okay, actually, hold near the gate. This is a high ground. Actually, we have advantage. Hold northwest. Over here. Near the gate. Gonna engage very soon west. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Watch out. Defensive. That's fake. Come out. Everybody, come out. Get ready. Shallow on top me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. Wipe this. Almost. Now defensive headbutt. Heal Magnum, bro. Hello, Magnum. Heal Magnum. Defensive at the same time. No. Just Qs and Ws. Bro, how come we are headbutting and only our guys are dying? Hello? Keep walking up. Get ready. Keep walking up. And stay over here. Defensive. Okay, come up. Go back southeast. We have to go to the castle. Keep kiting together. Come back. Keep kiting together. Get ready. I'm gonna shallow very soon. Keep kiting. Come back east. It's fine. Come back east. We do quick shallows. Just one target. Come back east. Shallow on top me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Go back. Nice. Almost. Come back. Defensive. Dropping Judy. How the fuck, guys? Heal. Dropping Judy, bro. Heal over here. How many DPS we lost? We lost our PS. Just get ready. Find me. Get ready. Looking west. Shallow very soon. You watch out. Defensive. And walk up southwest. Shallow on top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Please kill this, bro. Go west. Go east. East. Keep going east. And stay over here. Stay northeast. Yo, heals. Defensive front line, bro. Watch out. Stay. You have to play defensive again. Do we have DPS? Shifu in party 2, okay? Felicia join my party. Watch out, they're gonna look. Just stay here. They cheered on King Geek. They're gonna engage on King Geek. Watch out. Come south. Get ready. Shallow on top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me with whatever you have. Just more damage. Come back. They're gonna engage. That's an engage. They're gonna engage now. Watch out. Engage failed. Come back. Qs and Ws on D-tank inside you. See one D-tank, one GA, bro. He's literally there. Nobody's doing Qs and Ws. You did now. He's running now. See? Watch out. They're gonna engage shallow again. Keep coming east. I can't engage on D-tanks, bro. I don't have spike. Stay east. We're gonna do fast engage. Keep coming east. Watch for this bedrock. Keep coming east. They're gonna look. I know. They're gonna look. Watch out. Qs and Ws on this D-tank. Shallow on top me on the same D-tank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Karma, bro. Faster. Go back east. Just hold there. They're gonna engage. Hey, watch out. That's fake. They're gonna come for an engage now. Just hold. Keep going east. They engage front line. Heal. Dropping Judy. Heals. More heals. Probably GG. Go inside the castle. No party vibe. Go inside the castle. They're combining.
Heal King, please.
Keep coming east, keep coming east. Stay inside, stay inside. We have DPS, but we don't have enough D-tanks now. Gonna do shallows. Just stay here. Stay inside, stay inside, stay inside, stay inside.
Looking
Yo,
deep,
watch
deep,
out.
looking deep.
Defensive. Nice defensive. Nice defensive. Heals. Everybody heal. They bonked. Come southwest. We're gonna go southwest. Okay, we're gonna play with ballistas. Come southwest. Let them bonk actually. Come southwest. Southwest. Let them bonk this gate. Actually, we're not even gonna stop. Come back southwest. We let them bonk this gate. Felicia is there. Felicia, you good? Or you died?
Yes, bro, I'm good.
Okay, come up. Let them bonk. Just stay here. Stay. Just
अबे
hold.
रियोसी के लिए बोल दे हो चीचा
हाँ
रियोसी के लिए बोल दे
रुक जा भाई 6 minutes. Okay, Rio C everybody.
You wanna look over the...
No. I want them to bonk. We need ballistas. We need them to come
Oh,
to the
they're
Lord
trying
room.
to bonk from both sides.
Let them. It's fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine. We're gonna engage north. Okay, gonna engage north. Can engage over the wall. Just hold. They went back. Wherever the
Just
collar
fake.
is.
They're looking.
Defensive.
You can engage now.
Defensive. Okay, get ready. Engaging northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on me. No damage, please. Come back. They're gonna drop pitch work. Come back. Tell me where they're bonked. Nowhere, right?
They're banging west side.
Okay,
west
keep
side.
resetting. I want them to come in. Bro. That's the only
20%
way.
west.
I think there's one
20%
more
west.
blow southwest there's the one more blow southwest I guess
Okay. One tank. Come, everybody come up to the Lord room. We play in the Lord room.
it's
Okay.
immortals I think it's immortals I guess they're coming yeah immortals are coming
They're going out.
Hit them,
Okay.
Halal.
Okay. No. We don't
Then-
need scavengers. Hold.
so
Do we open the
Bro,
chest though?
they said free for all
Watch out, defensive front line, and walk up north. I'm gonna fake. Walk up north. This is fake. Get ready, looking north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me, big club on top me. Kill this. All close. Come back, bro. Who is missing? Come back. They're gonna try to hold you now. Come back. They engage. Defensive.
Def up.
Come up south inside. South and inside. Just hold. No, there's two parties. Importal as well. Come south. Come inside. Clear comms. Come inside. Lord room. Simple. Come inside. Lord room.
Bro, who opened the chest?
Bro, why did you?
It's fine, bro.
It's
It's we will get more attraction of another.
Kingo bike पीछे Kingo
Yeah.
okay
We stay inside. Try to loot. Huh?
They're going northeast side. They're
It's
going
fine.
northeast side. What are they saying, scavs? What are scavs saying?
nothing
Okay. They're switching southeast. Importal switching southeast. Gonna
It's
focus
free
on
for all,
Immortal.
I think. No?
Okay, fine.
They're bonking northeast side
Your
full.
DPS. I need more people. Bro. Where's
59,
go to
55.
Dollar?
It's going
Yeah,
fast.
boy.
Just go inside DPS. Don't stay Magnum.
Bro, what the hell?
ओए
Bro?
मैग्नम क्या नाम है ओए
भाई
सुशी पीछे
healer उनका 75 HP हो गया.
Stay here. Just stay.
Let it cover the
Over
wall.
the
Let it
wall.
cover the wall.
स्पीड टॉगल
Watch out.
क्या कर रहे हो? उधर क्या कर रहे
Blob
हो?
is going. Okay, we're gonna look now. Come up west. Just stay here. They engaged already, right?
Yeah, but
Okay, let them walk in. Come south. We use castle, bro. Come south. Don't
we
get
can
wiped
go over
before
the
castle.
walls, bhai. Multiple.
Can we kill? Okay, fine. Hold. They bonked actually. Come west. West. Hold over here. Hold. Come west. Gonna shallow soon. Get ready. Looking east. Looking northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me shallow, please. And go back. Back. Parma, where are you, bro? Come back. Up. They G-ed, okay? They're gonna probably engage on G-ed. Defensives, get ready. Defensive. And yo, watch out. The Hodge is gonna look. Hodge is gonna. That's an engage. Come back. You call it right. Kingo, can you call?
Come south. Get cooldowns. Tell me cooldowns when you
Cooldown
have.
should be ready.
Heal
Cooldown ready.
castle. Okay. Look on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Look on top of me. Whatever you have. Just go southeast. Go east. Help a friend. Def. Go east. Heals up. Hold here. We're gonna look soon. Come west. DPS over the wall on northwest. Come up. Ready to
Ready.
DPS over the wall, okay? Come up. Hold. Look northwest in 3, in 2, in 1. On northwest. And go back south. Just hold. Reset. Cycle. Hold again. Cooldowns.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Okay, hold here. D-Tank, look west side. Again, we're gonna look north, okay? They're coming. Okay, hold. Kites, look on northwest, on top of me in 3, in 2, in 1, on west. And go back east. Def ready to def. Go east, just go east. Help up front. Get CDs. Get CDs. 10 cooldowns. Look northwest again over the wall.
Wait, no cooldown. Wait a
In
second.
5.
Ready.
Yeah, ready.
Calm down, bro. Look northwest in
Ready,
3, in 2, in 1. Or northwest, anything. Just go back. Ready to def though. I couldn't move. Ready to def. Help Castle if he gets in trouble, okay? Tell me cooldown again. He's looking.
Use Argus,
He
bro.
fucked
Use
up.
Argus.
He fucked up.
Yeah, he fucked up. Tell me cooldowns, boys. Fast.
Ready,
5
Palma, ready.
seconds. 5
Okay, look
seconds. 5
northwest.
seconds.
Near Jade.
Okay, look northwest. now.
Ready.
3, 2, in 1. Northwest. And go back east. My ability is fucked right now. What the fuck?
और कासल कम बैक भाई क्या कर रहा है?
Come back. Heal up front, our boys. Heal brawler. I'm not able to pop my helmet. Fuck this shit, bro. We're gonna look north on the gate. Come north in 3, in 2, in 1. North on the gate. And go back. I might need help. Just def up front.
Don't worry. I'm looking. Big
They look at the front. Roar.
बैंक तो अकेला क्यों कर रहा है?
Palma, cooldown.
Get me jacket. Hold jacket for me.
Palma, ready?
Jacket if you have on me.
5 seconds.
On me.
Jacket should be there, yeah.
Ready.
Done moving away.
Okay, go on the Lord room. Go on the mortar north.
They're looking
Look on top of me from north in 3, 2, 1. On north.
अरे nice.
Go back.
Gee, boy.
Hold. Oh my
वही कह रहे हैं, band
Come northwest. Go west wall here.